So, just getting ready, preparing myself for Power at Manchester. How to create a healing vortex, a pillar of light, sound and rhythm, and lots of energy to be given this evening at in Chorlton cum Hardy to raise awareness, to raise the energy, to literally light up Manchester. So that is where I'm going this evening, and maybe I'll bring you some live footage of the event. If any of you are out there and still fancy coming, then please do turn up. It's at the St Clement's Church in Edge Lane, at Chorlton cum Hardy. It'd be wonderful to see you there. So tonight is a full moon, a full moony. So you may be feeling extra sensitive, extra aligned with your more intuitive psychic abilities, because as the moon affects the tides, it affects us also, as we are 75% water. So if you're feeling a little anxious, if you're feeling a little bit on edge, there is some sounds that I can make for you to listen to, and I also recommend always having on hand CBD oil, which stands for cannabidiol oil, which is the juice from the hemp plant. A most amazing, miraculous healing oil that brings calm where you may feel inflamed, brings a relaxation, and brings energy, but in a calm way. So CBD, cannabidiol oil, is highly recommended on this auspicious occasion, and every day actually, as we need it for our endocannabinoid system. But with the sounds of the new moon sounds today, I'm going to tune in and bring you a few little sounds for you to meditate upon. Oh, we're ready. Eu makakata na yata. Ishkumo kapa indo bata. Ioka papa hande jura. Ishkoma katatina. E bu babatata. Ishko katama. Eko. Ho. Emukatana. Ilo papa. Iupa. Ariu. Apa. Have a fantastic evening on Saturday, the 18th of May. Bye bye.